Imagine a creature that defies death, a tiny marvel surviving the most extreme cold on Earth. Frozen solid, completely devoid of life, yet able to return as if nothing ever happened. This is the incredible world of the tardigrade, often called the water bear. When temperatures plummet, most life ceases. But for the tardigrade, it's just a pause. It can endure temperatures as low as minus 272 degrees Celsius, almost absolute zero. For years, it can remain in this frozen, suspended animation, waiting for favorable conditions. How does such a fragile-looking creature survive something so destructive to life? The secret lies in a remarkable state called cryptobiosis, a hidden life. This isn't just hibernation, it's a complete shutdown of all metabolic processes. One key player is trehalose, a special sugar that acts as a natural antifreeze. It replaces water inside their cells, forming a glassy shield, protecting delicate structures. This vitrification prevents destructive ice crystals from forming, which would otherwise rupture cells. Before freezing, tardigrades often enter a tun state, shedding most of their body water.
Their metabolism drops to less than 0.01% of its normal rate, effectively pausing life.
But the true wonder comes when conditions improve and the thaw begins. Water slowly re-enters its cells, reversing the vitrification process and reawakening its systems. Enzymes reactivate, proteins unfold, and the machinery of life starts to hum once more.
What seems impossible to us is merely a routine event for these extraordinary survivors.
It can resume normal activity, feeding, and reproducing, as if it were never frozen.
Freezing is just one of many extremes they conquer, from radiation to the vacuum of space. Scientists are intensely studying tardigrades to unlock the secrets of their resilience. Imagine applying these adaptations to preserve vaccines, organs, or even entire organisms. Understanding their genetics and biochemistry could revolutionize cryopreservation and space travel. Their ability to repair damaged DNA and withstand dehydration offers invaluable insights. From the harshest frozen landscapes to the sterile confines of a lab. The tardigrade continues to inspire awe and fuel scientific exploration. Its extraordinary survival mechanisms remind us of nature's boundless wonders and mysteries. This microscopic champion challenges our understanding of life, death, and resilience. A truly immortal animal, thriving in a world of extremes.